Hello everyone, good evening. This is Matthew Big Ben. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So good to see you all again. So let's solve this question. It said if x raised to the power of 400 is less than 4 raised to the power of 600, then find the greatest integral value of x. Now let's underline the word greatest integral value of x. Are we together? Find the greatest integral value of x. So let's bring down, okay, we have options. See option A, B, C, and D. So we have it to be x raised to the power of 400 is less than 4 raised to the power of 600. Are we together now? Good. So let me solve from the right hand side first. Let's see how it goes. So this guy now can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2, then 600. Are we together, guys? Yes, because 2 power 2 is 4, then that. Okay, good and fine. So I can have this as 2 raised to the power of 2 times 600 is 1200. Are we together, guys? Good. So here now let's come over to the left hand side. Now you see, the best way to express this left hand side to be able to correspond with what I have on the right hand side is by having this x to be x power 1 divided by 3, then power 1200. How about this? Yes, because 1200 divided by 3 would give me 400, so it's still the same thing I'm writing. I just have to modify. Are we together? Good. So that should be the case now. So now I now have x power 1 over 3 power 1200, isn't it? So by comparison, if you work very well, the exponents are the same. Now since the exponents are the same by law of indices, then I can match the bases together. So now let's go back to the bases because the exponents are the same. So I have it to the x power 1 over 3 is less than 2. So what value of x here should we put here to satisfy this very question? Remember, the question says the greatest integral value. Are we together? Good. Now listen. We know basically that 8 raised to the power of 1 over 3 is equals to 2. And this guy here means, this is 3, please. And this guy here means cube root of x. This is the cube root of x. So the cube root of 8 is 2. That is a number that will multiply itself 3 times to give me 8, and that is 2. Yeah, because 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Exactly. So in this case now, if I should put 8 here, 8 is exactly equals to 2. Exactly. If I should put the value of x as 8 here, it gives me exactly 2. But here they said the value of x here, the cube root of x here, should be less than 2. Exactly. So if I should put 8 here to give me exactly 2, but we are looking for a number that should be less than 2. But in that number that should be less than 2, we should be considering the greatest integral value of x. So ideally speaking, it should be 8 if it were to be equals to 2. But because it is less than 2, so now which of these numbers do you think here would be the greatest integral value that should satisfy this condition? Automatically, it should be 7. 7 should be the answer. Okay, because that is the greatest integral value close to 8 that should satisfy this equation. Exactly. 7 is the greatest integral value that is very close. Is the greatest, and miss all, that is very close to satisfy this very question. Exactly. So the answer is what? X here should be equals to 7. Okay, so we are going for what? 7 as the answer. Yes, the answer is 7. I hope this question meets you very well. Let's subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.